it's Zandy and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a new Tory Burch bag that I ended up picking up because it was just absolutely beautiful to me. So if you like to see my new purchase, go ahead and keep watching this video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the bag that I ended up picking up for this haul. And here it is. Okay guys, this is the new bag. I'm gonna take all the paper off and stuff, but I just wanted to show you how it looks when you take it out of the box. I ended up buying this from the online Tory Burch store. So it has all of the packing paper on there, but this is a small quilted Eleanor bag. Okay guys, so I went ahead and took all of the paper off. They had this bag really protected in shipping, which is really good because this hardware is legit. As you can see up close, this leather is everything. And that's what drew me into this specific bag off the website. So as I said earlier, this is one of the Eleanor bags, and this is actually the small size. So I thought this one would be better because this bag can be a little bit heavy. So I ended up going with the smaller size, but it's not super small. I can actually get quite a few items in here, but I just love this color. And this color is called, let me check. This is the roasted habanero color. I hope it's picking up on camera, but this is actually a really, really rich brown color, and it is just so beautiful. This bag is made really, really well, and that's what I love about the Tory Burch line. Her items are just so stunning when you get them home. And I just really love the construction of this bag. It's pretty firm, so that's what I like about it. And I also really like this quilting. This stitching is awesome. And this bag looks like it could last for quite a while the way it's stitched so nicely. But this is the bag. And as you know, if you've purchased anything from the Eleanor collection, all of these items have her signature double T logo on them. And I just love that because it stands out. And I ended up going with the one that had the gold hardware because I typically wear more gold than silver. So that's usually the color that I'm gonna pick when I buy items. This purse is just so lovely. So it comes with this really nice, heavy, good quality gold chain. And I have it doubled up right now, but it's actually there's a really nice like hinge on the purse, but it actually can be a crossbody as well. So that's what I love about the purse. It can be, you can shorten the strap or you can wear it long style, and it just closes right here. You just open it and it's like a magnet clasp. As I said before, this bag was packaged really, really nicely, and I still have paper to actually take off the bag, but I wanted to show you what the inside looks like. So the leather carries all the way through. And it's a lot of space. I still have some paper in there, but that's a lot of space for the smaller size bag, in my opinion. So I actually think for the size that's a good amount of space. Again, I got the smaller Eleanor. If you're interested in picking this up, I'll link it on the website if it's still available. So in the inside of the bag, as I said, it carries through with the same leather, and there is a deep pocket for your main items, and then there's this zipper pocket, and there's a small pocket back here. I don't know how functional that would be, but there is a pocket. There's actually a front pocket as well. So as I've said, this bag gives you quite a bit of space. I haven't actually worn it yet, but now that we're in the fall, I'm totally going to start wearing this because it matches with some winter boots that I already had in my closet. So this bag, you will be seeing it a lot. So that's it for today's purse haul. Let me know if you like these kind of videos so that I'll know if I should keep hauling more items. But the likelihood of me buying a purse is 100% guaranteed. So just let me know what you think about this video down in the comments. And also, if you already own an Eleanor bag, let me know some pros and cons that you found while wearing the bag, just so I could be aware of that as I kind of venture into wearing my own bag. I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul video. So definitely remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks again for taking the time to watch today's video.